How to contact Amazon customer service. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to contact Amazon customer service. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Amazon.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Amazon. Now, in order to contact Amazon customer service, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for help. Tap on that and you will further be led to Amazon customer service. You will now be shown with various topics. Scroll through and find the topic you are seeking help for and tap on the topic, and if the topic that you are looking for is not there, then you can also tap on the something else option and search for the topic you are looking for. I will tap on payment, charges, or gift cards. You will then be shown with options to help you fix your issue along with some articles related to the topic. And if your issue is still not fixed, then you can also tap on the I need more help option and you will further be allowed to make direct call or send a direct text message to customer service in Amazon. So, this is how you can contact Amazon customer service. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.